In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually set up proxy settings for Nordvpn in Google Chrome. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. So whether you're looking to enhance your browsing security or you just need to set up a proxy for a specific purpose, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is visit Nordvpn's official website. You can do this by heading over to nordvpn.com/download. Here, you'll find various options to download their app. However, since we're focusing on setting up proxy settings, go ahead and click on Log In. Make sure you have your credentials handy so you can access your account without any hassle. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Account Overview page. This is where you can manage your subscriptions and access your account settings. From this page, look for Nordvpn. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view of your Nordvpn services. You will then want to find and click on Advanced Settings. Here, you will be presented with several options related to your VPN configurations. Don't be overwhelmed, you're doing great so far. Next, locate the Manual Setup option. It's important to note that setting up your VPN manually can offer more control and customization over how it operates. After clicking on Manual Setup, you'll be directed to another page detailing various manual setup options. Within the Manual Setup options, you will want to click on Set up Nordvpn manually. This is pivotal as it will guide you through the proxy setup procedure. Follow the prompts and allow the page to guide you to the next critical step. Finally, click on the Configuration link. Configurations are the backbone of a VPN setup. Here, you'll find specific server recommendations and settings tailored to optimize your connection. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose servers that will offer you the best performance and security. To wrap things up, take a moment to review all your settings. Make sure everything is correctly configured according to your preferences. Once you've verified all is in order, go ahead and test your connection with Nordvpn. If everything was set up correctly, you should be surfing the web securely behind your new proxy settings. And that's it. A swift and efficient way to manually set up proxy settings for Nordvpn in Google Chrome. With these steps, you can now enjoy a safer browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.